Slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down. Head position. Head position.
Sit.
Clear that. Reset. It's sloppy, bro.
Elbow.
Go. Move inside. Let's go. Move your feet. Pull.
Head position. Head position.
Snap.
Duck unders there. Duck unders there.
Yep. Go shoot. You gotta shoot there.
Reshoot.
Watch out.
Step through.
You gotta step through with that. Step through with that. Work up now. It's okay. Clear that. Face up. Get one leg up.
Flat. Kickstand.
Don't worry about that. Good. Now let's work. Get your head up.
Post the knee. Right knee.
Up there.
You got your leg up. Now get up. Use your hips to move. Yes. Don't worry about it. Clear it.
Short time. I can't win it.
Yeah!
So bad! Hold it! Squeeze! Give it time!
Bam! That was a pin every time.
You're in the fight now. Let's go!
Hey, all time.
That was 3 pins. Damn it.
Should be
That was a
5-5.
pin.
5-5, right?
5-5.
5-5.
Braydon, pressure.
5-5. Hey. Lift it. Yes. Hey. Ankle and a half. Lift. Stay on your feet.
Yeah.
Half there.
Half there. It's almost there. Yep. There you go. Get the bar. Good up. Push it. Good. Power up. Yeah. Run it. Head strong. Good head pressure. Good.
Get a wrist.
Keep that pressure though.
Yes.
Get the wrist. Good.
Two hands on that wrist. Drive them forward. Yes.
Powerhouse.
Keep that wrist.
Keep driving forward.
Keep that knee to your butt. Knee to his butt.
Let's get him flat again.
Knee to the butt. Drive them forward.
Drive forward. Good.
Settle back.
You're high.
Yes.
Run it.
Hey, near ankle. Cross face. Ankle. Lift that ankle. Lift it. Places.
Yes. Good. Cross face.
Cross face.
Hard cross face.
Hey, lift the elbow.
Lift the elbow up.
Circle. Elbow pry. And circle. Hey.
Good.
Hey. Right. On the elbow pry, get the ankle too. Ankle.
Let's wrestle.
Hey. Same position. We got this, man.
Good talk game.
Good.
Let's swing. Half.
Let's do.
Whoa. It was above his butt. It was above his butt, correct? I think it was below his butt. How's that locking hands? That was not locking hands. He went straight to his butt. So what was it?
He locked hands before he got criteria. Hey, you're down by 1, okay? We got 20 seconds to turn them right here. Let's go. Let's get some back points.
Get a quick turn.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey,
First move, Braydon. First move.
Hey!
Jump to the left and high. Hey, Braydon, anytime this hip is on the mat, you jump to the opposite side and run a half, okay?
You still got fight. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, down. Hey, Braydon, look at me. Braydon, I want you to your feet and then a takedown. That's what I want.
Quick escape. Then you gotta get the takedown. This is a fight, bro. This is a fight. This is what we look for.
You the first person to get off the ground.
This is what we look for, Braydon. This is what we look for.
Whoa,
Yep.
there you go.
Close.
Again.
Get your head up.
Wing it down, wing it down.
Shake.
Wing it down, circle
Shake.
out. Circle out, you're free.
Oh.
Locking hand. We have locking hand.
His hands. Get up. Braydon, get up. Let's go. Fight. Fight it. You gotta fight here.
Let's go. Top's got to come off the hips. Braydon, as soon as he clears your hips, remove him.
Yep.
As soon as he clears your hips. Circle left. As soon as he clears your hips. Hey. Braydon, we got a minute 20. You got to move.
Braydon, you gotta reset. Let's go. Let's go. Get.
Off the
You gotta fight this. Let's go.
Good stall call.
You get the first move. First move. There you go.
Yes.
Let's go, come on, do it.
You gotta
Get
get
up. Go, get down. Come on, get up. Face up, face up. Come on. You gotta work. Walk away. Come on, get up.
Hey, circle your hips right. Circle your hips right. He's got to come off the hips. He's got to come off the hips.
Come on, face up. Face up. Face up. There you go.
Kick back, kick back, kick
Watch his arm. Watch the elbow.
back.
Potential. Watch it. Watch it.
Right knee.
Get up, get up.
Yes.
Get up.
Set
Get up. Get up. Clear.
Get two. Hold him.
Short time. Short time.
Hit his ass.
Not let him move.
Nowhere, Braydon.
Hold it. Come on.
Tough ride.
Tough ride.
Just wrist.
Let's go. Final turn.
Yes. Hey, Braydon, there are 10 seconds. Just keep him down. Keep him down, you win.
Braydon. Let's go. Believe in yourself.
What's the score?
7-6. Yeah.
No. Braydon. No.
Wait.
No.
Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down.
Good, you broke him. You got what you wanted.
Yeah.
Good match.
Good shit.
Good one.
Good fight, Braydon.
Dude, that was good.
Good match.
Great one.
Good way to come back.
7-6. It was